Every BMW is equipped with a tire pressure monitor that uses sensors at each wheel to warn the driver when air pressure drops below acceptable levels. If air pressure in one or more tires drops by more than 30%, this yellow warning light will illuminate in the instrument cluster. If the car features iDrive, a check control message will also appear in the iDrive display. If this occurs, stop the vehicle in a safe area and then check the tire pressure. Tire pressures can be checked at any time via iDrive. To do so, select Vehicle Info from the main iDrive menu, then Vehicle Status, and finally Tire Pressure Monitor. This will bring up a graphic of your vehicle with a color indicating each tire's pressure. Green means the pressure is normal, while yellow means the tire is either flat or has lost significant pressure. If a tire appears as gray, the system cannot detect a pressure and indicates a malfunction or that the tire pressure monitor is resetting. Anytime air pressure is adjusted or when a new tire is placed on the car, it's critical that you reset the tire pressure monitor. To do so, use iDrive to select Vehicle Info, then Vehicle Status. Next, start the engine, select Reset, and then drive away. After driving for a few minutes, the system will reset. The tires in the iDrive display will again illuminate in green, and TPM Active will be shown in the iDrive display.